Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your tail lamp on a Nissan Altima. This is a 2017, but it's the same thing from 16 all the way up to 19. I'm not sure if it's if the body shape changed at 19 or 18, but it's not at 19 or 20. I think the 2020 is different, but it's probably the same thing for the 19. All right, so this right here, that's the reason why I'm changing it, because it's cracked. So you want to come on here, open your trunk. Alright, you want to go in here and you want to remove these clips on the side to get in there. But let me see, there's no clips right here, but I'm gonna get some light in there so you guys can see. Alright guys, so we have one clip right here, which we're not gonna remove. We're just gonna bring it down like this, and it will give you access to these two 8mm right here, and we can take that out from there. And this right here, we need to unplug it by squeezing this part right here and pull back on it. So right here, you want to squeeze right here and pull back on it. 8mm, take out the tail lamp. Alright, so 8mm, you can use it doesn't have to be a drill. Some of you guys complain I use too much power tool, but I'm actually at my job, which I can't take too long on the car, so you can use this. So take this off. I'm gonna try and leave an Amazon link in the description where you can get an 8mm and a ratchet handle to take that out. Alright, so you can go in the description and look for the link. You want to check your weight, make sure no more so you want to check to make sure no more screws is there. Then you want to hold it and rock it out. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put back the screws on it and try to use this to take out the tail lamp. Alright, because it's kind of hard to come out right now. Get the 8mm, just like this. So you're gonna put it on this like that, put the screw like that, and put this like this, so you can push on this, and it will help to take out the tail lamp. Alright, alright, so none of that worked. So I gotta come up with a new idea. What idea that I come up with is to get a flathead screwdriver, piece of cardboard, put it right here so you don't scratch the paint. Put this in here, and you want to pry it towards the rear of the car, not towards you, the rear of the car. So put it like that. And you see how easy that takes it off? So you pry it towards the rear of the car, not to the side here. You want to put it, the front of the car is there, the rear of the car is there. You want to pry it to that way. So I remove back my 8mm. This we can just like that. This is the left side tail lamp. but it's also the same for the right, so it's the same procedure for the right. Okay, I'm gonna open that. Alright guys, so this is the new tail lamp, but they send me the wrong side. There's some of the right side and I need the left side, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that resolved, and I'll continue this video after that. Alright, so I got the right tail lamp now. So it was an error on the parts place because the box for the first tail lamp, it said left, but it was the right side. So let's do this and finish the car and test the car, and then we can get it out. Alright, and when you run it through, you want to pull it so it's sealed. Alright, that's good. Get your 8mm, and also we will be leaving a link in the description for the lights. Go ahead and plug in your light and bring back this up. Put this back under the rubber, and we're going to test the light after this because everything is all nice. And oh, before you do that, you want to make sure this is sealed properly because this will make water get in the car. So make sure this is sealed properly, and then you put this back under the rubber. So I'm going to test the light to make sure everything works. So everything looks like it's working. So thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Links for the tools and for the light, the link for the tools and the parts will be in the description. Alright, so as you can see, I got a low battery, but that's for another video or something like that. Peace out, see you next time. Alright, this is a little bonus video. 8mm, and for the tool we use, a little bonus, and this is a ratchet handle, flathead screwdriver. So this and this do the same work, so this would be the cheaper route for you, so you can go with this. Alright, and as you see, a piece of cardboard which I use to protect the paint. Alright, so peace out, see you next time.